Hi everybody, and thanks for dropping by and watching my video. I'm going to talk about a few videos which I posted recently on both LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, relating to the UK TV functionality of It's Caller Plus. I've had several people contact me and said, we liked your videos, but we don't see UK TV on your website. The answer to that is, at the moment in time, you need to register on It's Caller Plus, and then once you are inside the dashboard, the UK TV is within the platform. On our new platform, which is our Beta 2, which I hope will come out shortly, the UK TV is actually on the front page. It's not built into the platform, so you do need to register within the platform, but it's much more dominant, and we'll show you how to register. So what I'm going to do is to show you how to get into It's Caller Plus and how to also use the UK TV, which is provided by Hula TV, which we have partnered up with last year. So I'm now just going to very quickly share my screen with you. This is It's Caller. Once we've signed into the website itscaller.ag/plus, all you need to do is register first. There is no charge, by the way. It's Caller Plus is for free to use our platform. All you need to do is put your name in, username, email address, password. A notification will come up, and then you are registered. You do not need to worry about any of these, because you can use those for your social media once you're inside the Plus, but that's not really what we're talking about today. Once you've registered, just log in as any other platform, and once you have logged in, you'll come up with a dashboard. Now, as you can see here, that my dashboard is showing I've got here Twitter and YouTube. I'm not talking about YouTube, and I'm not talking about Twitter today. That is something that everybody can experiment once they get into the platform. This conversation is all about the UK TV, which is provided by Hula. But once you're in your platform, you will see a TV, and it will just say Hula TV, and then you just click on it, and it opens up. Now, unfortunately, at this moment in time, once you have clicked on that, the Hula tab, you will need to register with Hula to use your TV. Now, if you want to use a different password and a different email address, we have no access to that whatsoever. That is the reason why we've done it. That will go directly to Hula TV. We have nothing to do with that username or password that you register to watch UK TV. The other good thing about the Hula TV, you do not need any credit cards, and you do not need any debit cards. We don't want any financial information whatsoever, and we will give you 30 days of viewing free. And then after 30 days, you have a choice to carry on using or not to carry on using. It's entirely up to you. The platform after 30 days is either $3.99, $5.99, and within the functionality, which I'm now going to show you, you will be able to have a full TV guide of everything you want from today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, right the way through, as well as having a recording functionality. So if you want to record something, you can just click on one of these tabs, and it will record it into the cloud for you. So you've got storage to watch your program whenever you want to. So it's great if you're traveling, or if you're an expat, or you're on holiday and you want to watch your favorite program. You've got the accessibility. And the great thing is, you do not need any VPNs anywhere. This works everywhere. You can use it in Dubai. We've even got people watching at UK TV within China. Okay, so with no VPNs. So that's very, very important as well. The platform is really kind of stable and very, very fast. And as you can see here, we got Watch Now. So when I click on Watch Now, the Hula logo comes up with its Caller Plus, and as you can see here, we have the functionalities of the choice of the TV channels. So I can just point my mouse over any channel, and I can actually see a glimpse of what is actually on before I want to watch it. In this case, it's Sky News. I would like to watch it, so I just click on it. And as you can see, there is no buffering, an instant load of your program. And if you wish to, you can change the size of your program, so if it's more comfortable for you, if you're using some of the other functionalities within its Caller Plus. And you can also choose other TV channels which are available. So if I go into BBC News, I've now got BBC News and Sky News with just one simple click in one browser. It is all there, and again I can just go like this, and if I want to have ITV, I can now have ITV, and as you can see, there is 3 video TV, live television now, no buffering, and you can record these at any time. And I can also choose here Euronews. So I've now got 4 channels playing. I've got BBC News, I've got Sky News, and I've got Euronews. And I've also got, and here I can deaden the sounds and control whatever I wish to have. And I can also enlarge whichever program I wish to enlarge, and then reduce it, have full viewing. But what I'm also going to show you now is not just what is on the computer, but I'm also showing you now what is actually on, just do that a second, my telephone. So this is a standard mobile smartphone from Samsung, and I'm just going to click on any video. This is through the same account, by the way.
Extraordinary.
And there you go.
I first noticed it in 2014 in Chelsea. I was trying to
And
pick them off.
I'm just going to...
Is your team doing that? Is it worth it?
I think it's realistic in a domestic setting if you've got
Just
a very
to-
prized area of box.
go into here now.
Oh yes, it should win.
And you can see
Thank you very much, Ronnie.
8:40 is the time now.
live, no
There's a new
buffing,
film coming out called
straight through my
Current
mobile
Affairs,
telephone.
and it stars War and Peace actor Tuppence Middleton alongside
And I can have
Benedict Cumberbatch,
different
Michael
channels,
Shannon, and Nicholas.
even to what I've got on my thing, and that is all through the same account, by the way. That's exactly what you can do with its Caller Plus, plus other functionality. I hope this has been of interest to you, and if anybody wants to ask me any questions, please send me a message. I'm happy to ask. But remember, there is 30 days free UK TV, no credit cards required, no debit cards required, as well as other functionality that you can use with inside its Caller Plus. Have a great weekend, and thank you for watching my video.